Now, because there are people who are cat people because they love cats, and others that are dog people because they love dogs, those people tend to pay more attention to the animal they love more. And when you pay attention, like these kids are doing here, then you learn more about the animals. So what I want you to do is let's look at this next picture. I just want you to look at it and see what you can think about. Okay, now I'm going to make it disappear. All right, what can you tell me about the picture that disappeared? Who thinks that there were more cats than dogs? Who thinks that there were more dogs than cats? Okay, who thinks that the dogs were bigger? Who thinks that the dogs were smaller? Who thinks who thinks that the smallest animal was a cat? Who thinks the smallest animal was a dog? Well, let me show you. If we look at this picture, it turns out that the tiniest animal there is actually a tiny little dog. It turns out that there are more cats in this picture than there are dogs. And the dogs are actually the bigger animals than the cats. So because people pay more attention to the animals they love, they learn more about these animals. You pay attention more to these animals. So if you were paying more attention to the dogs, you're probably a dog person. If you were paying more attention to the cat, then you're probably a cat person. And if you're like me, I like any kind of fuzzy little animals, so I was looking at all of them.